Povej, kdaj boš začela. Da ti že snemaš kao. Čau, kako si. Okay. Naši projekti so raznoliki, ekipa pa edinstvena. Naše delo je razgibano in polno novih izzivov. Več si pogledaj v videu in se nam pridruži tudi ti. Se vidimo.
In a world where customers expect that energy suppliers should be able to anticipate their needs and make relevant suggestions before they even make contact, having a customer 360-degree overview is the only way to win in this highly competitive and challenging market. Meet the BE-terna Utilities CRM solution, tailored and customizable for utilities, energy and e-mobility providers who want to excel in their B2B and B2C sales, customer service and marketing. This powerful solution combines all of your customer data sources into one visualized customer overview and ensures that your sales and customer service agents at all experience levels can easily progress from an initial contact to a signed contract while using the guided smart pipeline and interactive dashboards. BE-terna Utilities CRM is an integrated solution that allows you to design and execute omni-channel marketing campaigns, generate leads and qualify opportunities, apply simple or complex pricing strategies, increase upselling and cross-selling potential with non-commodities, improve your customer service, reduce customer churn rate. Visit our website and become the utility, energy or e-mobility provider of choice in your market with the BE-terna customer engagement solution right away.
V BE-terni se zavedamo, da so ideje in zagon mladih velik doprinos podjetja, zato bomo veseli vsakega mladega upa, ki si želi nabirati izkušenj pri nas.
Kako smo šli na naš projekt s raznoliki?
It's 2:30 in the morning in Ljubljana and it's time to start my first business trip with BE-terna. Where are we going? You'll see soon. Stay here.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
Surprise, surprise! After a very, very long trip, we are finally here. As you can see, Kingston, Jamaica. We are here to visit our customer and to present our solution, utility and infrastructure management. We are staying for a whole week and my presentation is on Wednesday.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
It's Monday morning and it's time to start our business activities. There is something I really love about my job, that is my team. I want to introduce them briefly to you. This is our boss, Tamara, and she's the best boss in the world. This is Bernarda, our consultant with huge experience and wide knowledge, food enthusiast and sneezing champion, our consultant, Dara. This is Tanya. Tanya helped me a lot in my tasks. Thank you for that. They say that we have very similar laugh. This is the newest member of our team and our project manager, Mr. Gal. Hey, want to say something? No. He's a very positive guy, the guy that works really, really hard and that helped us a lot during our project. And this is the special member of our team. He's the only guy that is not in Ljubljana. This is Marko from Belgrade.
You gotta raise a little.
It's the end of day 3. I'm done with my presentation and it was very, very successful. I'm so happy for that. I have to say that my team also did a great job and it's time to enjoy some Kingston. After the successful week in Kingston, we're enjoying our day off in Montego Bay before our flight back home. See you. Enjoy. Greetings from Kingston. Bye.
And now the master of the pineapple in Sardinia. Yeah.
Monica, if you put this in my video, I will.
Z tako uspešno ekipo je potrebno sodelovanje.
Zato se v BE-terni trudimo za veliko količino kreativnosti in pa za rast osebnega duha.
moram reči živa, pa hej, ali pa kaj. Ko ti iščeš zabavno, družabno in vznemirljivo delo, in mogoče delo v podjetju, ki te karierno podpira in ima ekipni duh, potem je to pravi naslov zate.